In the manufacturing industry, a broach tool is a cutting tool used to create precise and complex shapes in metal or other materials. It is a highly specialized tool that is used to cut keyways, splines, and other intricate shapes in a single pass. The broach tool is made up of a series of teeth that gradually increase in size, allowing it to cut deeper and deeper into the material with each pass. This process is known as broaching, and it is a highly efficient way to create complex shapes with a high degree of accuracy. Broaching is a popular method in the manufacturing industry because it is a cost-effective way to produce high-quality parts with a high degree of accuracy. It is also a very versatile process that can be used to create a wide range of shapes and sizes. Broaching is commonly used in the automotive, aerospace, and medical industries, where precision and accuracy are critical. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom broach tools. They have been in business for over 50 years and have a reputation for producing high-quality tools that are designed to meet the specific needs of their customers. Berkness Company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who work closely with their customers to design and produce broach tools that are tailored to their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about broach tools and how they can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. They are always happy to answer any questions you may have and can provide you with more information about their broach tool services. With their expertise and experience, you can be confident that you are getting the best possible broach tools for your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is a broach tool and how does it work in manufacturing? A broach tool is a cutting tool used in manufacturing to create precise and complex shapes in metal or other materials. It works by removing material in a series of progressive cuts, with each cut removing a small amount of material until the desired shape is achieved. Broach tools can be used for internal or external shaping, and are often used in the production of gears, splines, and other precision components. 2. What are the different types of broach tools available for manufacturing? There are several types of broach tools available for manufacturing, including internal broaches, external broaches, surface broaches, and keyway broaches. Internal broaches are used to create internal shapes, such as holes or grooves, while external broaches are used to create external shapes, such as gears or splines. Surface broaches are used to create flat or contoured surfaces, while keyway broaches are used to create keyways in shafts or other components. 3. What factors should be considered when selecting a broach tool for a manufacturing application? When selecting a broach tool for a manufacturing application, several factors should be considered, including the material being machined, the desired shape and tolerances, the production volume, and the available equipment and resources. Other factors to consider include the type of broach tool needed, the size and shape of the workpiece, and the required surface finish. It is important to work with a knowledgeable supplier or manufacturer to select the right broach tool for the specific application. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.